disappointment that I've got.
A tearful apology from a former teacher couldn't convince a Fresno County judge to let her stay free after admitting to sex with a student. That's our top story live at 5. Good evening. I'm Amanda Perez.
And I'm Warren Armstrong. 30-year-old Megan Denman pleaded guilty to 6 felony charges just a few months after her arrest. But she wasn't expecting to serve any jail time. Action News court reporter Corin Hoggart is live in the newsroom now with her apology and the argument that helped convince a judge to lock up the former Hoover High School teacher. Corin?
Warren, Denman came to court knowing other female teachers in her situation had avoided prison or even jail time. She was emotional throughout the hearing, and the worst of it came when she found out she wouldn't be as lucky as her peers.
Within 2 days of her release from custody, and she's still in contact with
Megan Denman's already wet eyes filled with tears as a deputy put her in handcuffs for a long trip to the Fresno County Jail. A trip her attorney says came as a shock. Was Megan ready to go to jail today?
I don't think so. Mainly because I didn't think she would go to jail today.
That belief was based in part on the sentence given to Washington Union teacher Nadia Diaz less than 2 months ago for her sexual relationship with a 15-year-old. Diaz got probation and no jail time. In Denman's case, she faced as long as 26 years in prison for a lengthy relationship with a student. The former social sciences teacher was 28 when it all started. The victim was 16. Prosecutor Laura Clinton argued that a sentence of probation would prove a double standard for female teachers.
I think if we were talking about a 28-year-old man having sex with a 16-year-old student who was a child, his student, that would be pretty repulsive.
But the victim didn't want Denman prosecuted. Psychiatrists said she's extremely unlikely to repeat the crime, and she gave the judge an emotional apology.
And every day I live with the guilt and the hate that I have for what I've done.
The judge's final ruling means she'll carry that guilt to jail. Denman is scheduled to get out of jail on April 30th. She won't be able to work as a teacher again, but the judge also ordered she will not have to register as a sex offender.